It's 9 a.m., and you've already refereed 4 arguments. One about the remote control, one about who got the bigger piece of toast, one about who gets to sit where, and one you don't even fully understand. And somewhere between fight number 2 and fight number 3, you think to yourself, do they even like each other? Here's the truth. Sibling conflict is one of the most exhausting parts of parenting more than one child. And yet, it's also one of the most misunderstood. Because the fighting isn't actually about the toast, or the remote, or who sits where. It's about something much deeper. And once you see it, you'll stop trying to stop the fight and start addressing what's actually underneath it. How many kids do you have? And does this sound like your mornings? Drop it in the comments. And if sibling drama is real in your house, subscribe. We break this stuff down every week. What siblings are really fighting about? Think about it from your child's perspective. Before a sibling arrived, you were the center of the universe. Every need was met. Every smile was yours. Then someone else arrived, and suddenly you have to share. Not just toys, not just space, you have to share your parents. Sibling conflict at its core is a competition for parental attention and love, even among older children, even teenagers, even when the fight seems completely unrelated. Dr. Lori Kramer at the University of Illinois spent decades studying sibling relationships. Her findings? Children who feel secure in their relationship with their parents and who believe that their parents' love isn't divided but multiplied, have significantly fewer and less intense sibling conflicts. The issue isn't the siblings, it's the anxiety about whether there's enough love to go around. Think about that. The war over the remote control is actually a question. Are you sure you love me as much as you love them? The one thing that makes it worse? Are you ready for this? The thing that makes sibling fighting worse is constant intervention. Every time you step in, take sides, declare a winner, or solve the problem for them, you are doing 3 things. 1, teaching them that fighting is the fastest way to get your attention. 2, telling them they are not capable of working things out themselves. And 3, depriving them of the most important social training ground they will ever have. Their sibling relationship is where they first learn negotiation, compromise, conflict resolution, empathy. Every time you rescue them from that discomfort, you delay that learning. What to do instead? Step 1, stay out when it's safe. If no one is being hurt, let them try to work it out. Resist the urge to fix. Give them 2 to 3 minutes before you step in. Step 2, when you do step in, don't take sides. Say, I see 2 people who both want something. How can you both get some of what you need? Then step back. You are not the judge. You are the coach. Step 3, give each child individual, special time. Even 10 minutes a day of your completely undivided attention. No phone, no sibling, just them. Dr. Kramer's research found that this one habit, dedicated one-on-one time, reduced sibling conflict by up to 40%. Not because the children became perfect, but because the anxiety driving the conflict was quieted. They knew, my parent has enough love for me. Step 4, stop comparing, even positively. Your sister already finished her plate. Why can't you? Your brother never has this problem. Even when it sounds motivating, comparison plants rivalry. It tells the child, you are in competition, and right now, you're losing. Instead, keep each child's journey completely separate. Let's focus on what you need. And when you see one child doing something well, praise them privately, not in front of the sibling. Public comparison is quiet poison. Sibling fights are not a sign that your family is broken. They're a sign that your children are learning, sometimes loudly, how to share a world with another person. Your job isn't to stop the conflict. Your job is to make sure both children feel equally loved while it happens. That is what changes everything. If this helps you understand your children differently, leave a comment below and share it with a parent who's been refereeing all week. Because when you understand the behavior, you stop fighting it and you start guiding it. See you in the next video.